Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to deposit USDT on your Tonkeeper wallet. So first and foremost, you have to make sure that you have both your Tonkeeper wallet, as you can see, mine is here, and then the exchange you're going to use. For the exchange, for this case, I use Binance over here. Okay, so I'll go back to my Tonkeeper wallet, and then I'll click on receive. But before you click on receive, you can come and scroll down over here and then select USDT. When you select USDT, click on receive USDT over here. And then when you click on receive USDT, go ahead and copy your USDT address. So for this case, this is my address. I'll click on copy over here. And guys, take note of the network. The network is Ton network. When you're sending USDT, make sure that you're sending using the Ton network USDT. Alright, so after copying my USDT address, I'll head back to my Binance application and then come to wallet section there. And then on the wallet section, I'll click on withdraw. And then I'll click on withdraw via crypto. So after clicking on withdraw via crypto, I'll click on USDT and then send via crypto network. And now after I'll come here and paste my address. Remember, I copied my address from my Tonkeeper wallet. So click on paste. And you see guys, when you automatically paste it, it will automatically detect the network as the Ton network over here. Okay, so after that, input the amount you want to send. As you can see, the minimum is 10. So you put 10 and above, for example, 15. And then you also put the minimum over here. Okay, and then after that, click on withdraw and you'll successfully send your USDT or deposit your USDT from your exchange to your Ton wallet. And that's good. Alright guys, so thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. Until next time, we shall meet once again.